Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 reviews. Today, thanks to Subaru Wakefield, we have the 2025 Subaru Ascent. This one is a really gorgeous combination with the brown interior and the magnetic gray exterior. This is the touring trim, features a turbo 2.4 boxer 4. Just take a look at this. Oh, it's gorgeous. 51361 sticker on this example. Wow. Yep, I like it. I like it a lot. Captain's chairs in the back, Harman Kardon stereo. Oh yeah. Oop, forgot. I love those. Oh. Wood grain trim, camera review mirror, heated and cooled seats. Whoops. Actually, this might answer the age-old question. Does it blow? Or aha! So the ventilated seats are actually pulling the air out, not blowing air up. That is kind of cool. This does, of course, have driver eye monitoring and all the safety features you've come to know and love with Subaru. So if I look off to the side, it's gonna yell at me to keep my eyes on the road. I like that turbo. I've had Ascents plenty of times. I've spent a lot of time in them. I do like them a lot. They're very comfortable, very good to drive. Let's see if it will yell at me to keep eyes on road. Yep, keep eyes on road as I miss my exit. And here's what I've noticed driving Subarus all day so far today. They drive very similar. You get into one Subaru, into the next, you feel like you're in a Subaru. That's not that's a compliment. Why did I use double negative? That's a compliment. I mean, Subaru's figured out brand loyalty. Keep everything what people like and what people keep coming back to Subaru for, and you're gonna keep selling cars. I'm surprised just how comfortable this is, and I'm surprised that at the price point, $51,000, it's really impressive that it's this cheap. I mean, it's really, really impressive. This has features similar to $70,000 three-row SUVs, and it's at 51. One of the best all-wheel drive systems out there. All right, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.